So the air conditioning, apart from very hot periods, is it really useful?
Usually, people consider air conditioning as an element of comfort, but it's also an element of safety.
Air conditioning an element of safety?
Yes, in winter it's very useful for demisting the windscreen.
Ah, yes, actually it's true. Without the aircon, that takes a long time.
The aircon also filters the air that comes into the car.
Ah, that. It's the famous cabin filter.
Right, that filters everything that comes into your car.
Ah, but this one, it's time to change it, isn't it?
Yes, a worn and dirty filter like this one will let bacteria through. This one is new.
Ah, yes, indeed. There's nothing to see.
Generally, it's recommended to change your filter every year and check the aircon system. These are operations that are carried out when your car is serviced.
What are the signs that the air conditioning isn't working properly?
Some bad smells.
What sort of bad smells?
Like the smell of damp, the demisting, which doesn't work very well, the dashboard gets dirty quicker.
Okay, so in these cases, you should get your air conditioning checked out.
Absolutely.
And sometimes when you have the air conditioning on, you find a little puddle under the car. Is that a problem?
No, that's perfectly normal. It's the condensation coming out of the air conditioning system.
Specifically, what can we do to look after the air conditioning?
Use your aircon for at least 10 minutes per month.
Winter or summer?
Winter and summer.
Okay, so here's what we should do. Turn the air conditioning on 10 minutes every month.
Winter and summer.